Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you a way for you to get a free unlimited cell phone service and make money at the same time. So, if you're still paying premium price for your cell phone service, then make sure to keep watching. And if you want to give this a try after the information I gave you, you can use one of the 4 referral codes that I put in the description. And at this time, this code will give you $5 credit and will also give me $5 credit towards my future service if I needed to use it. What I have here is my phone with Helium Mobile SIM card. Helium Mobile is an MVNO or a mobile virtual network operator. MVNOs are wholesalers, so basically they purchase minutes and data in bulk from major carrier like T-Mobile, AT&T, or Verizon, and they resell it to their customers. So basically they can give you a better plan. So if you live in Miami, you can actually get this service right now for $5 or $20 if you live anywhere else in the US. But let me show you how you can get this plan for free. Helium Mobile is not the typical MVNO that you'll find because Helium Mobile also uses the power of the people network. And basically they needed to know which places that they need to focus on. And to do this, they need to know which area does their mobile users spend most of their time, so that they can encourage more people to put up hotspots on those locations. So I can put hotspot in my home, you can put hotspots in your home and also earn money at the same time by sharing your internet connection to the other Helium users. So the goal is to build the Helium's network so that they don't have to use the T-Mobile tower anymore and lower the price for us even more. The way they can achieve this is by paying their users with mobile token to share their locations. And right now, the amount of token that you will collect in a month will actually pay for 3 months of service. And let me show you how to do that. Once you become a Helium Mobile subscriber, you can simply click on the mapping right here. And after that, you want to make sure that this Enable Discovery Mapping is on. So the company respect your privacy, so this is actually off by default. So you actually have to come here once you install your app and toggle this on. And after that, it's gonna ask you if you want to enable discovery mapping. And basically, discovery mapping will collect location data when mobile mapping is enabled, even when your app is closed and not in use. So you just want to accept this. And after that, you're good. So you just click sound good right here. And after that, you just want to click on feed. So the feed will actually show you how much mobile you collected every day. So for me, I started with this service on February 3rd, and so far I have collected about 8,000 mobile after 10 days. On the 13th, I claimed my reward, and yesterday I collected another 600 mobile tokens. And today I still have 3 hours remaining to collect mobile tokens. So in order for you to get a reward, you need to give them 2 different locations. So if you go to school or to your work, that's basically 2 different locations. One for your home. When you leave home, you're gonna be sending another location information from your school or from your work. So if you just stay home, then you won't be able to collect mobile tokens. So if you work from home, you may not be able to collect enough token to pay off your service, but you can still enjoy the low price that you can get, or you can get a discounted price after you add in all your token. So let me show you this. So once I go to my wallet, so you're going to see here that I currently have 8,316 mobile token, and right now, based on the price of the mobile token, that is actually $26. So in 10 days, I collected $26 that I can use to pay for my mobile service. And right now, Helium will allow you to pay for up to 3 months at a time, or if you want, you can just keep collecting your mobile token. If you think that the token is gonna go up in price in the future, you can just keep collecting it and pay them $20. Now, if you don't collect enough token for the month, then they'll charge the rest on your credit card. So let's say you collect $15 worth of token and you want to use that to pay for your service. All you need to do is pay $15 and the rest will be charged to your credit card. So basically you'll just be paying $5 for that month if you don't collect enough. So to pay for your service with mobile tokens, all you need to do is click right here. And then here you can select 1 month, 2 month, or 3 months. So you can select the month that you want. So just click on 1 month. And then after that, you can just click on confirm payment. So I'm not gonna do that yet because I think that the mobile token is still gonna go up in price. So for now, I'm just gonna wait until the end of the month before I click on confirm payment. So that's how you can get your cell phone service for free. And if this video is helpful to you, please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And also, if you wanted to sign up with Helium Mobile and you don't have a referral code, feel free to use the referral code I have here and also the ones that I put on the description. And thank you for watching.